Hey everyone, it's Nelly. Let's take a look at all the Disney Christmas merch I found at Costco so far, and I'll give you some Disney gift ideas for the holidays. Starting off with this tabletop Christmas tree decoration, it spins, plays music, and lights up. It's very cute. It has Mickey, Minnie, and their friends along the bottom. There is one thing I hate about it though, and that's the glitter. This stuff gets everywhere, but if that doesn't bother you, let me know. Right now it's going for $99.99. Next up is this holiday village. It also lights up and plays music. You have a little train with Mickey and Minnie on it, 2 buildings, a clock tower, a Christmas tree, and town gate. You get figurines of Donald, Daisy, and Goofy too. This one is $129.99. Check these out. They look like lanterns and they do light up, but they're also snow globes. The one on the left shows Mickey and Minnie taking a sleigh ride. In the middle, you have Mickey and Minnie ice skating, and the one on the right shows Mickey and Minnie hanging out with Goofy, who's carrying some presents. These are strictly decorations though, and I'd keep them far away from young kids because they weigh a lot more than you think. I was really surprised, and I can just imagine little kids wanting to lift these and they could get hurt. Costco has some very cute Disney holiday cards if you're looking to mail some out this year. They're $12.99. For Disney gift ideas you can get at Costco, you have this Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar. It comes with 8 Star Wars characters and 15 mini builds, and I think it's a great value for $34.99. The Lego Walt Disney Tribute Camera is also available at Costco. It brings everything you need to build the camera, a roll of film that comes out of the camera, and the camera itself has a panel you can open so you can have a look inside. It also has a sliding matte box that will reveal the lenses. It comes with a clapperboard display where you can set up the 5 characters it comes with. There's Walt Disney, Mickey and Minnie, Dumbo, and Bambi. It's for ages 18 and up. It's 811 pieces, and it is 14.5 inches tall. It's $79.99. Right now, Costco has these 3 giant Stitch Squishmallows. We have Elvis Stitch, Superhero Stitch, and Stitch with a floaty, and they're $24.99. If you know a Disney history buff, this might be the perfect gift. It's the ultimate history book of Walt Disney's Mickey Mouse, and it's $29.99. And these puzzle pages come with 8 mini storybook puzzles each. There's a mini one and there's a princess one. They're for ages 3 and up, and they're $13.99. Those are all the Disney Christmas decor and gifts I saw at my Costco, but if you've seen anything else, let me know.